Access a course's quizzes or tests from Quizzes. This tutorial shows how to navigate quizzes in Brightspace learning environment. The quiz list displays current quizzes and tests available in the course. Each quiz includes a title and its availability. You can also see how many times you have attempted the quiz and the total number of attempts allowed. To take a quiz, click its title. A summary of the quiz details displays. The time allowed section tells you if there is a time limit for taking the quiz. If there is a time limit, your remaining time displays while you take the quiz. Read the instructions and then, when you are ready, click Start Quiz. The quiz has finished loading once the questions display. You can now begin the quiz. The questions panel summarizes your progress and indicates the status of each question. Quizzes auto-saves your answers. Continue completing quiz questions. When you are satisfied with your answers, click Next Page. Continue answering quiz questions. When you are satisfied with your answers, click Submit Quiz. Then, click Submit Quiz to confirm your submission. After you submit your quiz, a summary displays. You can return to this summary later from the quiz list page. Note: the contents of the quiz summary depend on the options your instructor selects. When you are ready, click Done. Access a course's quizzes or tests from Quizzes.